Good, this video is about empty chamber flag for airgun, but I'd like you to introduce Mojo. Growing up, listening to the Doors, Jim Morrison, so I figured I named him Mr. Mojo Rising. Of course, got a Mally right there. In any case, why would you need an empty chamber flag? Well, basically for safety. If you at a competition, it's good to have, and if you're at a public shooting range, definitely good to have. So you let the people know that there's no round in the chamber. But the problem is, these Amazon are real cheap. You can get six of them for $11, so average $2 a piece. And I know that they're not designed for air gun, but I like the label. It will not fit, okay? It would not fit. It would not fit on an M3. Would not fit on. Will it fit on the Texan? But you barely touch it, it's falling out. And it will not fit on the Pantera. There's no way. So you can get one that's designed for air gun. K&L make one. If you want to look at it, you go to Utah Air Gun and look for K&L. Flag chamber. They do have it, but they're expensive. They are $28 a piece, but they're Model Pacific. So basically, they took a chunk of aluminum, machined out like a dummy block, and add a flag to it, and charge you $28, which is fair. But it's Model Pacific. It's the M3. I don't think it's gonna fit over Pantera. So what you do? Very simple. Just get some zip tie, okay? Cut whatever length you need. Put the angle in there you want to, so that way it's easy to insert. Done. Not gonna go anywhere. Even when the wind blows, it's not gonna fall out. Same thing. Same thing with the Texan. So zip tie and cheap Amazon is the way to go. Right, Mojo? He's a white German Shepherd. He's one of my best dogs.